You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. My head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything. So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said?
In this video, we will learn about running man, body rock and a kick side step dance. Let's start with the running man. Stand straight. This is going to be your center point. This is your front point and this is your back point. Lift your right leg off the ground and this position is going to be your starting position. Now step to the front with your right leg. When you're doing this, you have to slide your left foot towards the back point at the same time, just like this. Now you lift your left foot off the ground and bring it to the center. And at the same time, you slide your right foot and bring it to the center point. After this, you just need to repeat the process. Now, let's try to use our hands as well. You need to be in the starting point of the running man dance and then lift up both of your hands and keep them straight in this position. And in each step, you just pull and push your hands with each step of footwork. It might be tricky at first, but like every dance, you just need to keep doing it until you get it right. And also, please do it in front of the mirror, which will help you a lot to decide in which part your steps are not very clean or where you might not be doing so well. Now let's learn about the body rock. Place your feet so they are as wide apart as your shoulders. Bend your knees slightly and place your hands at the hip, or you can place them like you are holding the belt of your pants. Now, lean your upper body weight to the left side and come back and do the same thing on the right side. Now repeat the steps. Try to make the steps look as clean as possible, because this dance is very important for a job interview as a salesman or for a lawyer asking questions to Amber Heard. Now let's learn about kick side step dance. Kick to the front with your right leg. Bring that leg back to the center. Now use your left leg to step to the side. Now kick to the front with your left leg. Put the left leg back to the center. Use your right leg to step to the side and just repeat. And for your arms, when you kick to the front, your hands should also be in the front in this position. When you bring your leg to the center, keep your hands like this on your chest. And when you step to the side, just make your hand a T pose. And just repeat them.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said?
If you'd like to learn about two-step, body roll and a cabbage patch dance, click this video and stay tuned for more videos to learn cool and easy hip hop dance steps. Keep dancing and stay fit. Bye for now.